Hey, what's going on today, guys? I'm going to be talking to you about the Titan 105-pound dumbbell set. These are, pretty standard, solid pair of adjustable dumbbells. I've had them for a little over 2 years now. They're, great for people who maybe don't have time to go to the gym like me. I don't really have time anymore. And so it's easy to get really any workout that I want to get done or could get done at the gym done at home. And they're also just great for, just quick little exercises or whatever. They work. They can work for just about anything. So I'm going to start and kind of tell you what they come with. So you do get 24 Titan brand plates. These are, pretty heavy duty steel plates. There are, let me see, 8 5-pound, 12 5-pound weights. There are 4 2.5, and those are on here, 4 2.5 weights, pound weights, and then there are 4 1.25 pound weights. So altogether, they're 105 pounds. I think you can adjust each dumbbell to about 52.5 pounds. The handles are chrome plated. The handle's just about 20 inches in length, I believe. And then it also comes with these 4 collars. So that's actually how once you slide the weights on, just adjust the collars, turn them, twist them, and they're set on there. What I do really dig about these is that they're very space efficient. It's not like having, a whole dumbbell rack in your garage or your house or something like that, which would take up an insane amount of room. I can really just take these all apart, take the weights off. I stack the weights in the corner of my closet, and then I also just have, the handles sitting to the side. And I mean, realistically, I could, put other things in front of them and around them, and it's, it'd be like they weren't even there. And so they're very storage friendly. And yeah, and that way they're much better than a lot of the workout equipment that you could get. As for the price compared to other weight sets, because I know weights can get expensive very, very quickly. And that's actually the reason why I first got these. Like I said, I got them a couple years ago, and that was the thing. I just really wanted a really cheap alternative to going to the gym. And also I had a full like home gym. We had one in our garage. I really just, I don't know, it was too much for me. And so I wanted to, downsize and get something cheap, but that was still, I still had good use. And so this was definitely a great choice, I think, in that sense. And then lastly, they're really easy to swap in and out. Like I said, all you gotta do is you turn the collar, take it off, boom, whatever. You can replace one, not replace one, and twist it back on, and you're good. That's a little good segue into what I don't like about these, or what's kind of annoying sometimes, is this collar does get loose. So I'll find that after I've like moved around or done a couple reps with these, and I tighten it all the way, it's they get a little loose. So you really kind of have to keep tightening them up, or else I've done it where I've done a couple sets and then it's already been like out here, I'm like, okay, how that shouldn't happen. It's a little bit dangerous, especially if you don't notice it. Although you should, because you'll find the weights start kind of slipping around and things like that. But that's a little bit of an annoyance. The handles kind of hurt your hands, especially when you get into lifting a little bit heavier. As you can see there, I mean, these are, they're nice and they're chrome plated, but they do get a little dirty, and they are made with this like grip material, which is cool for gripping it, but can also like pinch your hands. So I would definitely recommend, if you're wearing or if we're lifting a little bit heavier, maybe wear some workout gloves or something like that to protect your hands and kind of just make working out a little bit more comfortable. And they, even though the switching is easy, they can be a little tedious to switch back and forth all the time. So that's where having something like, an easy like quick switch or lock pair of dumbbells kind of work much better. These ones, you really can't just, you can switch back and forth really between every workout that you're doing, but it's going to get annoying. It doesn't, it probably takes about a minute to switch back, but that adds up when you have to keep doing it. So that's another thing that can get a little annoying. And then lastly, the boxes that they came in, and this was 2 years ago, and I still remember this. They were all like torn up and tattered when they arrived at my doorstep, which was kind of strange. It was like, and I thought maybe it was just me, and so I looked online, and actually, apparently, like almost everybody was having this problem, which I don't know. I guess for me, like for if you're running a company where you're selling dumbbells, you might want to make the packaging a little bit stronger. It just, you know, it didn't really make any sense to me that they were all messed up and almost like falling out of the boxes while they were on my doorstep. So, you know, again, that was a little bit annoying. But all that being said, if you really just want some standard, simple workout equipment, you know, Titan definitely has provided a pretty easy pair of dumbbells, and I use them, you know, 3 or 4 times a week, and I have been for the past couple of years, and you know, they're good for the price. They're, you know, they do the job. So I would definitely recommend getting these if that's what you're looking for. All right, guys, take it easy.